What if the next drone you buy doesn't just improve your footage, but actually changes the way you shoot every single day? That's the level of expectation building around the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro, and while nothing is officially confirmed, yet the direction DJI has been moving in gives us a very clear idea of what's realistic and what's not. The Mini lineup has always been about balance. Lightweight design, strong camera performance, and features that are just good enough to satisfy both beginners and serious creators. With each generation, DJI has carefully added upgrades without pushing the drone out of that under 250-gram category, which is extremely important for users in the United States and other countries, where regulations are stricter for heavier drones. If the Mini 6 Pro follows this pattern, it will likely keep the same compact and foldable design. There's no strong reason for DJI to completely redesign something that already works so well. However, small refinements are very likely. Better heat management, quieter propellers, and slightly improved aerodynamics could all be part of the package. These are the kinds of upgrades that don't sound exciting on paper but make a noticeable difference when you're actually flying. The camera is where most people are expecting meaningful improvements. Recent mini drones already deliver impressive image quality, especially considering their size. But there's still one major limitation that users keep pointing out, and that's the sensor size. There is growing speculation that DJI could move toward a larger sensor, possibly even approaching a 1-inch type sensor. If that happens, the difference would be significant. You would see better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and more flexibility when editing your footage. At the same time, it's important to stay realistic. DJI usually reserves its biggest camera upgrades for higher-end models like the Air and Mavic series, so while a larger sensor is possible, it's not guaranteed. A more likely scenario is an improved version of the current sensor, combined with better image processing and color science. Another feature that many creators want is a variable aperture. Current mini drones typically use a fixed aperture, which means you have less control over exposure in bright conditions. Adding a variable aperture would give users more flexibility and reduce the need for ND filters. However, this is another feature DJI might hold back to protect its higher-end lineup. If it does appear, it would be one of the most important upgrades. In the Mini series so far, video performance will almost certainly improve, but again, it will likely be an evolution rather than a massive leap. Higher frame rates in 4K, improved HDR, and more refined color profiles are all expected. Smooth, slow-motion footage is becoming more important for content creators, and DJI understands that. Vertical shooting, which has already been introduced in previous models, will definitely continue, and it may become even more optimized for social media platforms. One area where DJI has been making rapid progress is intelligent flight and tracking features. The Mini 6 Pro could bring more advanced obstacle sensing, possibly improving its ability to detect objects from multiple directions. This would make flying safer, especially for beginners or when flying in complex environments like cities or forests. Tracking technology is also expected to become smarter. Instead of simply following a subject, future systems could predict movement and adjust more naturally. This kind of improvement doesn't just make footage look better, it also reduces the effort required from the user. You spend less time controlling the drone and more time focusing on the shot you want to capture. Transmission and connectivity are also likely to see upgrades. DJI has consistently improved its communication systems, and the Mini 6 Pro will probably feature a newer version with better signal stability and longer range. For users flying in areas with a lot of interference, this can make a big difference. A stronger connection means fewer dropouts and more confidence when flying at longer distances. Battery life is another area where incremental improvements are expected. The Mini series already offers solid flight times, but there's always room for more efficiency. Even a small increase can make a noticeable difference during real-world use. Pushing closer to the 35 to 40-minute range under ideal conditions would make the drone even more practical for longer shoot sessions. The controller experience could also be refined. DJI has been improving its controllers with built-in screens, better brightness, and smoother interfaces. These upgrades may continue, making it easier to operate the drone in bright outdoor conditions and reducing reliance on external devices. Faster response times and improved usability would enhance the overall experience without needing major hardware changes. Live streaming and direct content sharing could become more important as well. More creators are looking for ways to capture and share content quickly without going through long editing workflows. If DJI improves integration with mobile apps or platforms, it could make the Mini 6 Pro more appealing to modern content creators who prioritize speed and convenience. Pricing is something that needs to be considered carefully. If DJI introduces meaningful upgrades, especially in the camera or AI features, the price will likely increase. The Mini series has always been positioned as a more affordable option compared to higher-end drones, but each new generation has slowly moved upward in price. Anyone expecting a major upgrade at the same price point may end up disappointed. The decision to upgrade will depend heavily on what you're currently using. For someone coming from an older model like the Mini 2, the Mini 6 Pro could feel like a huge jump forward. Improvements in camera quality, stability, and intelligent features would be immediately noticeable. For users already on newer models, the situation is different. The improvements may feel more incremental. In that case, it becomes less about specs and more about whether the new features actually change the way you shoot. If the upgrades don't significantly impact your workflow or results, it may be smarter to wait for a future generation. Competition is also becoming more relevant. While DJI is still leading the market, other companies are improving, especially in software and automation. This means DJI has more pressure to innovate, not just in hardware, but also in user experience. The Mini 6 Pro may include features that focus on simplicity, automation, and faster content creation rather than just raw performance. Overall, the Mini 6 Pro is expected to refine what already works while introducing a few key improvements that make a real difference. It's not about completely reinventing the drone, but about making it more capable, more reliable, and more aligned with how people actually create content today. Until official details are released, it's important to keep expectations realistic. Some of the rumored features may not make it into the final product. However, even moderate improvements could still make this one of the most popular drones in its category. For anyone who values portability, ease of use, and strong image quality. In a compact form, this is a release worth paying attention to. The Mini series has consistently delivered a strong balance of performance and convenience, and there's no reason to expect that approach to change. The real value of the Mini 6 Pro will come down to how well it improves everyday use. Better image quality, smarter tracking, longer flight time, and more reliable connectivity all contribute to a smoother experience. And in many cases, that matters more than any single headline feature.